Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add conditional formatting to checkboxes. Right, so if you want to visually show if, for instance, a checkbox is checked or not in a Google Sheets, here's how to do it. So what we can do is apply conditional formatting to these cells, and let's say if the checkbox is checked, we want the cells to be green if they are not checked, so the project management task is not implemented yet. We want the cell to become red. So how we can do this? All we have to do is first select the cells we want to conditionally format with the checkboxes. Then we have to click on Format and select Conditional Formatting, and we have to add a conditional formatting rule. So the range has already been added because we have selected the range. Then we have to select a format rule. So in this case, we want to select text contains. And as you can see here, if the checkbox is checked, then the value of the cell will be true. So what we have to add here is true. And as you can see, when I added the text true here, the conditional formatting has already been applied. So we can see in real time how the cell would change. Of course, we can customize the conditional formatting, so make it this kind of green with this kind of checkboxes. You can also change if you want to bold it or not. Then click on done, and we can add another rule for checkboxes that are not checked, and all we have to do is do the same thing. So text contains, and instead of true we have to add false here, because you can see that when the checkbox is not checked, the cell value will be false. And then we have to change the conditional formatting to red. And as you can see, now the conditional formatting has been applied. So all we have to do is click on done. We can close this. And if we check the checkbox here, as you can see, the conditional formatting has been applied and the formatting has been changed to the checkbox value. If we uncheck the checkbox, as you can see, it has been changed back to based on the conditional formatting. So in all, this is how you can apply conditional formatting to your Google Sheets checkboxes. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.